So data is often called the fuel of digital transformation, right? Powers everything. But here's the kicker. Even with all the buzz about big data, AI, most organizations really struggle. It feels like beneath the surface, under the dashboards, there are these silent, persistent issues. They kind of derail strategy, slow down innovation, and can even open you up to serious compliance risks. Okay, let's unpack this a bit. Our mission really for this deep dive is to look at 5 of these, hidden roadblocks, the things stopping data delivering real value, and importantly, how a more modern approach can tackle them.
Exactly. And understanding these hidden roadblocks, it's not just about, seeing what's broken. It's key to figuring out how to move past generic fixes to specific solutions that turn those challenges into actual business results. You really can't fix what you can't see properly.
Okay, so let's jump right in. First big one. Outcome misalignment. I've seen this so many times. Companies invest loads in tools, shiny dashboards, but they're not actually linked to real business outcomes. It's like having a really fast car but no idea where you're going. What's the real cost there, besides the obvious wasted spend?
Oh, it's significant. The core issue is often building what's possible technically instead of what's needed for a specific goal. What's quite fascinating here is that the solution can be, let's say, business aligned by design. This really shifts the focus. You start with the outcomes. It means delivering trusted data products tied right to those goals, giving you real-time, actionable insights. We often talk about built-in AAA capabilities. That's ask, analyze, act. So your data isn't just reporting, it's driving decisions.
That makes a lot of sense. And speaking of complexity, that leads us nicely into the next challenge, integration overload. We've all seen data teams spending way more time just trying to connect all these fragmented systems, legacy stuff, cloud apps, external feeds, you name it. More time connecting than delivering value.
It feels like trying to run a race where you have to stop and build a bridge every few steps.
Precisely. Your best data people become, bridge builders, not innovators. And that creates massive blind spots. Data isn't flowing right. Big audit risks too. A really comprehensive solution offers all-in-one AI-powered integration. It unifies everything, ingestion, transformation, delivery, often through a no-code interface. And crucially, it uses semantic intelligence. It actually understands the meaning of your data, not just its structure. This helps automate mapping that could take weeks manually, gets rid of all that horrible glue code. The custom scripts. The glue code. Yeah, accelerates things massively then. And I guess all this fragmented data causes another headache. Our third roadblock, bottlenecked knowledge. This is where, the deep understanding of the data, its quirks, where it came from, it's stuck in the heads of just a few experts. What happens if they're busy? Or worse, they leave?
Yeah, the institutional knowledge literally walks out the door, that tribal knowledge. It causes delays, errors, and definitely more compliance risks because consistency just vanishes. This is where something like democratized data intelligence comes in. Think AI co-pilots, natural language querying, asking questions in plain English-guided workflows. It empowers everyone, not just the tech gurus, to explore and govern data confidently. Reduces the bottleneck on those subject matter experts, sure, but more importantly, it shares that knowledge. Makes the whole organization smarter with data.
Okay, and then there's fragmentation fatigue. Roadblock number 4. This feels like the result of everything we've discussed. Siloed tools, disconnected workflows. It leads to inconsistent governance, duplicated data everywhere, constant battles with compliance. It sounds like a real management nightmare.
It absolutely is. Like trying to build a coherent picture from puzzle pieces from different boxes. They just don't fit. If we connect this to the bigger picture, a unified data product platform is really the answer here. It brings the entire data lifecycle, start to finish, under one governed, catalog-driven roof. It's not just about consolidation. It's about making data consumable as a trusted product. You get built-in lineage, audit trails, easy policy enforcement, compliance automation baked right in, transparency and control. The silos start to break down.
Right, makes sense. Okay, finally, number 5. Slow and expensive. Traditional ways of modernizing data infrastructure are often just painfully slow, inflexible, and super costly. They just can't keep up with how fast regulations change or business needs evolve. Business needs agility now.
Absolutely. The market doesn't wait for multi-year, multi-million-dollar projects that might be obsolete on arrival. A truly effective, modern solution has to be rapid, scalable, and cost-efficient. How? By using things like in-memory engines, super fast processing and RAM AI and ML accelerators, no code orchestration, these things dramatically cut down delivery times and costs much faster. Whether it's prepping data or enforcing policy, the platform is just built for speed, agility, and scale, ready for whatever's next.
So wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you listening? It means spotting and tackling these hidden roadblocks isn't just, nice to have. It's absolutely vital. It's crucial if you really want to unlock the true power sitting inside your organization's data.
Yeah, by understanding these persistent problems and the modern solutions that exist now, you really can turn these big data challenges into major business advantages, drive innovation, nail compliance. It's possible.
So here's something to think about as you go about your day. How might identifying just one of these hidden roadblocks in your own work, your own organization, how might that shift your whole approach to data strategy and digital transformation?